Hi guys, welcome back. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave. That's right, can you believe it? It's the peak of the week again, and hasn't it just gone like that? Doesn't seem like 3 days since we were shaving on Saturday. Okay, we've got a good one lined up for you today. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much. Please look around, see some of the videos, have a look at them. Maybe contemplate giving me a sub. I'm inching up towards that magic 900, and then from there on it'll fall like a house of cards to the big 1000. So you can give me a sub and be a part of the family. If you're if you're a returning viewer, thank you very much for your continued support. I'm tongue-tied. Been a long day today, guys, but that's another story. Let's have a look. I have to crack on with today's shave because the police are on the other side of the door waiting to take me away and charge me with assault and battery. Who did I assault and batter? Samantha! Woo! Yes, right, okay, all will become clear. Right, any clues? Any clues what she's done? Let's have a look. There's the brush for today. Look at that, absolutely stunning. And that is, get it the right way around, DS Cosmetic 24mm. What's that knot? Would you say that's a fan knot? Tuxedo fan knot? There you go. We'll get that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. I like to show it to you every week just in case you forget what it looks like. There you go. That's why the police are outside. All I'll say to you guys, hey, Samantha. Decades I've had that. Samantha got her hands on it, and now it's no more. Oh, guys. Anyway, that's enough of that. I've got a new, well, a standing Super Soaker. There it is. Get the brush in that glass. Oh no, don't not up to that. But there you go. Yeah. There you go. That's what we're going to be using. That's the brush we're going to be using today. The razor we're going to be using. Ikon OSS stainless steel, beautiful, quite a low profile head that. Good shave of this. I'll talk a little bit about this as we go on. It's a weighty beast, it really is, and we'll take that apart. And what we're going to be putting in it is one of these 7 o'clock green. If you've seen the thumbnail, I chose it because it was green. It goes well with the soap we're going to be using and the aftershave. So we've got that in there, we've got that on there, and we'll get that on there, and this will go in the glass next to the brush in the new Super Soaker. And there it goes. That's that. We're going to balm up with that bit of Derma O'Leary, bergamot and basil. It's quite herbal scent to that. We're going to splash up, look at this, guys, new in the den. There you go, Bronnley's English Fern. This is some size of all 250ml. This is a fantastic bottle, glass bottle. When that's gone, there'll be some good stuff going in there. And there you go, let's have a sniff. Are you ready? Oh, do you know what, guys? It's fantastic. I'll put a link below for this. That was £14 for 250ml. It's an English company, and do you want to know what it smells like? I'll tell you. If you were to go into a herbalist, you know, with all the plants and all the leaves and everything all around about it, if you were to go into a herbalist and get them to smell Brut Original and say, can you make your version of that for me? And they came up with a herbal concoction. That, to me, that's what that smells like. It smells like herbal Brut aftershave. It smells absolutely fantastic, guys. And both my wife and my daughter like it too. That's Bronnley's English Fern. It goes very well with the star of the show. Here he is. I've all been waiting. Grooming Department, not Dept. It's Grooming Department Lavventura. Okay, let's have a look at this. There's the pour. See here where I've stuck my finger, I keep sticking my finger in to sniff it. I can smell it now. I can smell it now, guys. Oh, absolutely wonderful. Do you know, right at the start of spring and summer, usually somebody's getting the garden done, and you'll see the gardeners, and they've got a mountain of trees and hedges and bushes and grass and old plants and everything, and they're just throwing it all in, and the back end of it spits it out as mulch and sawdust and chippings and so on, and the air is filled with the scent of crushed leaves and freshly cut grass, and the scent of all the flowers is mixed in with it, and somewhere in amongst it all there was an old lavender bush thrown in with it, and it all makes this wonderful herbal forest fresh cut grass kind of a scent. That's what you're getting with me. I've put scent strength, I put it at about a 6, maybe a 6.5, but it's fragrant, guys. The minute you lift the lid off it, it's like it's wafting in your face. It's very fragrant. Goes very well with that Bronnley's. Very herbal. You can just the ever such a slightest hint of lavender, but for the most part, it's those green notes that come shining through. And we're just gonna straight in. We're just gonna go straight in with the brush and see where we go with that. So, without further ado, let's crack on and see where we go. As is always the case, guys, it's been an easy week in work. All this week and all last week, apart from today, because I was going to go home and film the video. It's been absolutely chaotic. Here we go. Oh, there you go. Do you like this brush? Well, what? Look at this. It's harder than I thought it would be. Can we have a look and see the grooming department? Yeah, it's stearic acid, beef tallow, lanolin, cork and butter. There you go. Got a little side label on the go there. It's nice stuff. It's very hard, guys. Very, very hard indeed. So there you go. We'll wet the face. Come on, we'll wet the face and then we'll crack on. Wow. Well, you can smell it now, guys. You can smell it, you can. Very, very fragrant. Very green. Very fougere. If you like fougères, you will like this. Absolutely no doubt in my mind, if you like fougères, you will like this scent. And it's available at slickboys.co.uk. They've got a lot of good soaps on there. Wow, look at this, a thirsty soap. We'll dip these tips again. Can you hear that? Right, now, as I lather it up now, look, it's running down my neck because I put some more. As I lather it up, I'm getting notes of citrus, like lemon and lime kind of vibe coming through. It doesn't smell like lemon and lime. It's just like, yeah. Do you know, if you were to mix a load of citrus fruits together, yeah, it smells very, very nice. But look at this. Not a bad lather, that, is it, guys? Okay, we're going with the Ikon OSS. Here it is, in the John Shaves Super Soaker, the new one, because Samantha's got butter fingers. There you go. There you go. If you do that, well, you can see the natural hair. Like, I tend to go around about there. I'll let you know, these blades are super, super sharp. I love them. Absolutely love. Yes, wow. That's taking that right down. So, how are you all doing? Please let me know in the comments below what your shave of the day is. Also, let me know if you've got somebody that interferes with your stuff and they've got butterfingers too. Please let me know. Oh, guys. Yeah, so today it's been a good. It's not been a bad day in work. It was just there was lots to do, you know. We never know from one day because stuff comes in overnight, and it's done by a central computer system about 80 miles away. And we're in like a satellite branch, so when people phone up and order, it'll be ordered at a branch 80 odd miles away. And the computer will get their order in, process it, pick it, pack it, put it on an overnight. We'll come in this morning, it'll be sat there waiting for us to unpack and then deliver. So that's why I have no idea what's waiting for me when I go in work tomorrow. And it's been like that ever since I started. For the most part, there's never any horror stories, but you can guarantee on the days you're filming, or if you've got to go somewhere, or you make an appointment and you have to finish early, that always the days you turn up, you walk in work and it's absolutely slammed. There you go. What do you think of the brush, guys? See them colours, probably see the green in that popping out. That was an eBay find. Yeah. Wow. This is one of the most... the scent strength isn't massive. I'll put it about 6. It's above average. Above medium, should I say. But it's radiating a lot of scent. There's a lot of scent coming off it. Very, very fragrant. This is going to be one of those people will go in the bathroom after you and go, oh, what's that? It smells nice. And Fine American Blend does that as well. So here you are. Here you are. Here we go. I'm all at 6s and 7s. This is Tuesday night. I think Wednesday, the peak of the week. This is a Wednesday shave. So try and act like it's a Wednesday, but it is actually Tuesday. I came home from work. I made a cup of tea. I sat in the chair and fell asleep. And I woke up, phone Samantha. She's picked my wife up from work. And they're going shopping now. So I thought I'd come in here and film a shave and chat to you guys. So let me know if you've used this grooming department Lavventura. Let me know as well if you've used that Bronnley. I've never used it before. I've never heard of it. Yeah, we won't try that awful. Yeah, absolutely wonderful smelling stuff. Proper fougere scent. Like I say, it smells like if you like Brut Fabergé, I think you'll like that. It smells like a herbal Brut Fabergé, the original Fabergé Brut. That's what it smells like to me. This soap is fantastic, guys. Look at that from that one little load. I did okay. Okay, we're going against the grain. There isn't really much to talk about. I think for me during the week, it's usually a case of bed work. It'll be an early night for me tonight. Fruit for my evening meal. Oh. Can I have some fruit? I may steal a chocolate biscuit. I'm on fruit. And then it will probably be a cup of tea. Watch a few YouTube videos. I don't watch television. I watch a few YouTube videos. And then it'll be an early night. I went to the cinema on Sunday. to watch No Time to Die. I wish I hadn't. I don't want to give anything away. But, well, there you go. Usual. Oh, lather mittens. You're watching, Kim. Lather mittens. Look at that. It wasn't a big load. Absolute BBS. Just what is it we call that, guys? The usual suspects. That soap is very slick. I'm trying to wash it off my hands now. Very, very slick. Yeah. Yeah, we'll call that. That's a good one, that. That's a good one. Get it on. Nice, clean, fluffy towel. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Do you know, I'm starting to enjoy the towel rub almost as much as the shave. That's absolutely fantastic. And that is our shave. Don't worry, don't worry. We're still going to do the Lancashire lean. Here we go. Do you reckon, guys? We did okay, didn't we? Look at that. That is BBS. Not a hair. Nothing. Okay. Here we go. Bronnley's English Fern. Does that pick it up? Bronnley's English Fern. Oh, it does. Do you know what? They've got a bottle of Brute and a bottle of Skin Bracer and mixed them together. Oh, wow. No reducer. There you go. There's a lot on there. Nothing. Wow. There's loads. There's loads of it, guys. That's wonderful. Yeah, absolute wonderful scent. I'll probably let you know more in the next shave when we get the dry down. But there was tons of that. I've quite literally washed my face in it. Because I'll show you, look. See that? There's no reducer. It just all came gushing out. But no sting. Beautiful, smooth, close shave. I'll say it every time. Dermot O'Leary, if you don't know, he's a TV presenter in this country. But anyway, he's put his name on this. I don't like him, but I do like this. There you go. Let me know. If you like Dermot, you're in the UK, do you like Dermot? Oh, do you? Does anybody like Dermot? Oh, anyway, let's leave that before I get a letter from his solicitors. So you defamation of character. Cease and desist. And then he can make one of those. A cease and desist aftershave bar. Okay, that's our shave, guys. Thanks for listening to the waffle. It is always a bit rushed on a midweek shave. I do apologise for that. They're always usually late. I'm always usually tired. Like I say, it's called Sod's Law. If I decided to shave on make the film on a Wednesday, film the shave on a Wednesday, it'd be just as busy tomorrow. So what are you going to do? At least this way I can make sure it's up before I get out of bed in the morning and get out the door, and then I've got stuff to do tomorrow. So there you go. That's our shave. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to the waffle. Let me know what you think of the shave. Let me know what you think of the stuff used. If you've used it, let me know what your shave of the day is. And above all else, be a decent person. The world needs decent people. In the wet shaving community, it's full of them. So you be a shining light. And I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Bye.